So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. You want to download both of them. So you want to click on both of them. It's now going to start downloading. And now once they've been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to download both of them. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once you've installed that, we can now close out of this. Now for the next one, x86, double click on it. And then tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And now once it's been installed, we can now close out of this. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.